What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Out here with Snelly. He's brought his 180 out here. Oh, check out this, guys. The newest Center S merch. Some glittery boy stickers. Big ass 60cm window banners. Just stickers. You can use it as a window banner. And we got these little STR boys as well. Yeah, first customer.
Fucking stoked, dude.
Thanks, mate. So if you want to grab one, you can hit the link in the description below and yeah, check out the new stickers and be as stoked as Snelly.
Hell yeah.
Anyways, we're getting on with the gearbox change today. If you watched my last video, you would have heard that I had some issues with the box after we put it in. We're thinking it's the throwout bearing, so we're gonna take the box back out, have a look at it, make sure everything's all good, hopefully get the box back in, see how we go. This is Dexter. Snelly actually got a Center S sticker before I did. Refreshy. I cleared up a spot for her though on the window, right there. Gonna get a few, maybe on the back too. I actually just put these ones here for like a photo. I don't actually like them like that. I'm gonna get some other ones. I've got the low style one as well, which I'll show you guys in a bit, or you can check it out online. But anyways, we're gonna put the car in the garage because it's hot as fuck already. Yeah, and get on with this box change. Yeah, so let's do it.
Oh, dude, I've got to get a lid. Fuck.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
Oh man, it's like a different car. What do you guys reckon of Snelly's whip? It's looking pretty sick. Yo. Yo. Yeah, the boys. Vibes.
It just looks so much fucking better.
You even got the little indicators I want to get.
Yeah, well, I fucking spent a bit.
What do you reckon, guys? Should Crocker invest in a Type X front lip? This one's my one right now. I got a freshie because I broke mine at the track day. Oh no, it wasn't even at the track day. It just came loose one day. Spewing. Oh yeah, anyway. What do you guys reckon? Let them know in the comments.
She needs clean.
Rattle. Hey mate.
How are we? Looks like shit now. It's cracking.
Brad came to say hey.
Snell? How are we? How you going?
Good to see you, dog.
Good. You too? Got the front lip off, or is that Chang'an's? Chang'an's. I want to
just test
test
it.
fit. Yeah.
You sold on it?
Yeah, I'll buy it off you $50.
Alright guys, so we think we found the issue. We pulled that out of the... Oh fuck. So we pulled this out of the bell housing, the one that holds in the slave, and I'm guessing we put the wrong one in. We put one that's too long in, and when I push the clutch in, like the fork hits it or something, and it's fucking smashed it. I'm hoping that's the problem. We think it is. Thread in the box is fucked. So James is here. Hey bro. And he's got the tap and die kit we just bought from Super Cheap. I think we spent $70 all up. We got some new bolts. And
should be able to knock it out.
yeah, we're hoping we don't even have to take the box out because new slave, ready to go in. Bears, ready to go in.
Always ready to go in, mate.
Re-tapped and dyed this hole on the bell housing to mount the new slave because the old slave is also cooked and not engaging correctly. The bell housing hole actually has no stop end on it or anything like that. It goes straight through. So the bolt that was in there was about 15mm too long and was engaging and hitting the clutch fork, thus not engaging the clutch. Stop. Starting to feel normal again. Alright, the slave's engaging, you've got clutch again.
So we didn't have to drop the box, thankfully. We got the tap and die kit, like James said before. Just got to put the box oil back in, and we can try it out, see if she starts. Fancy power rate? Yeah, oh, fuck.
Oh, yum.
Is that a Billy?
Yeah, homemade clutch bleed kit, boys.
Yeah, Bonza.
Fucking hell, dude. That looks so sick.
Money.
Ballers.
Litter gang. Yeah. Alrighty guys, that's going to wrap up the video. I hope you enjoyed it. So as you can see, we're all got stuff going on with our cars. Paddy's got it, his motor coming out. He's putting an SR20 DET in. So it's going to be sick to see him going turbo. He's actually spent quite a bit of money on it, so it's going to be a bit fruity. My car's fixed now. I'll show you that as soon as I head back to the house. I'm actually house sitting at my sister's house right now. Also got my wheels, picked them up. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen them. Picked up a few new slaps that I haven't showed you yet. Here's the low style ones I was saying. Make sure you go and do a buy. The link is in the description. They've got plenty to choose from. Also, my girlfriend's been making a heap of cool stuff. Tie-dyeing and embroidering. Go and support her as well if you got a girlfriend. And yeah, thanks for watching guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.